Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Destash haul to share with you today, and this is coming from Tracy, who is TYS Creates on YouTube and on Instagram. So let me open this up real quick. And I purchased some of her she was destashing some die cuts, some dies I should say, not the die cuts but the dies itself, and I'm opening it like this so that I don't show her address, but we'll see. We will see. Here we go. Awesome, Tracy. I got it. Let's see. This is her little card. How cute. It's probably one of the Maggie Holmes cards again. Thank you, Eileen. Can't wait to see what you create with these, Tracy. Thank you, Tracy. That's a beautiful green. I love that. I love that color. So let's see, guys. Let's see what we got. I got my first Tim Holtz die. I believe this is like a gentleman's bow tie. What is this? Yeah, bow tie. That's what it is. And the number is, oh my gosh, let me see, 659426, and that is what it says, bow tie. This is Tim Holtz Alterations, and there's the number right there. I hope you guys can see it. I hope so. But that's what it looks like, and it looks amazing. I've never used these punches, or not punches, these dies before. So these are all brand new to me. And this one is edge punch. I keep saying an edge punch. It's not an edge punch, it's a decorative edge. It's 5.5 inches long, edges to cards and books. So that is what it looks like. I'm interested to see what that come out like. And this is a Sizzix tags scallop combo number 2, and the number is 554991, and that's what it looks like right there. I don't know how to get it to focus, guys. I'm so sorry, but I hope you can see all that. Okay, and then next one is a Spellbinders die. I've never used these. I think they're called steel roll dies. I'm not sure. Don't quote me because I'm new to die cutting. And yes, Carolyn, you are so right. It is addicting. So this one is Spellbinders SR-001, and this is Birds of a Feather, and it's just 2 large good size feathers. So I am so happy with this purchase. The main reason I bought it was for these hearts, and this is the Sizzix Biggs heart, and it's number 656335, and they're just that pretty, like country looking. I forget what they're really called, but it cuts so many different materials: cardstock, chipboard and matte board, craft metal, craft plastic, fabric, felt, flexible magnet, polyfoam, shrink plastic, vellum, and vinyl. So the shrinkadinks would work wonderful in this thing. And the number, I already told you the number, 656335. Sizzix Primitive Hearts, that's what it's called, Primitive. And that's what it looks like. 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. Pretty cool. I am so excited. And then you have this one, and it's a flower, a stacked flower layers. A Sizzix 654979, and it's just a large flower. So that's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. to layer. Nice. And oh my goodness, I did not see this one. This is called the Old Jalopy by Holtz, Alterations. And the number is 657185. Now, don't ask me if they're, you know, if you can still find them. This is a purchase from a Destash, so I will not know whether or not you can find these dies. But like I said, it's a steel rolled die, so ooh, I'm interested to see how this one comes out. So pretty. I love a jalopy. It's so cute. Okay, and then the next one I have is the Holtz Cupid, I guess. Love Struck. So you get the heart, the arrow, the Cupid, and the bow. And the number 657484. And let's see. So these are some really good sized dies. Okay, so I see a little bit of impression there, but that's okay. We'll test it out. It might still work. It doesn't even matter. There's the arrow, there's the Cupid, and there's the heart, guys. I'm so excited. I want to play with these now. All right. And the last die that she put in this Destash was the Lori Whitlock Sizzix Bigs. Uh-oh, I don't know if this will fit in my die cutting machine, but we'll see. It probably does. The number's 559897, and this is like a picnic basket. I don't know if you guys could see it. Oh, she put a sample, or maybe it came with a sample. Let me see if I can even open the thing. Oh, it's stuck. It's shut. It's not even stuck. It's just taped down. Cute. Oh my goodness. Tracy, thank you so much. Oops, I took out the whole packaging. But this is what it looks like originally, and I'm assuming that you cut two. Yeah, I think you cut two of it. I'm assuming, right? I think you have to cut it out twice. 1, 2, 3, yeah, anyway, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'll play with it and we'll see what we could come up with. Super cute. I'm so excited, you guys. So cute. And it's called basket number 2. There it is. I was looking for the label. Basket number 2, 559897. And I'm sorry if you can hear all the noise, but my 2 boys are home, and yes, they are enjoying their time being home. Noise and all. So, let's see. All right, well, that is it, guys. That's all for my haul. Thank you, Tracy, for having your Destash. This was amazing, and I can't wait to start cutting stuff out. This is going to be so cool. This is just another style of bow tie, and what perfect timing. It looks like it would do really well for Halloween even. So cute. Thank you, my dear, and I hope you guys go check her out. She's TYS Creates here on YouTube and on Instagram. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.